I go to เขาใหญ่
Oh, you went to Khao Yai. Is there a lot of people?
Yes teacher
Yeah, I expect a lot of people because it's such a good weather. Everybody kind of immigrant to Khao Yai. Okay. So, do you still remember this? I gave you the assignments on Google Classroom in Google Form that you're supposed to do. Well, today I'm going to give out the answers. And before we go through the exercise, let me review sorry, such a crappy handwriting. Like and likes. Okay, two of them. So which subject that is used like? What subject that using with like?
UV day.
Day, right? They all use like. What about likes?
He, she, it.
Yes. He, she, it. Okay. So can you give me a sentence? Start with I. I like what?
I like chocolate.
Okay. I like chocolate. He likes chocolate, right? How about someone give me the negative form of this sentence? How do you make it negative? I
don't like chocolate.
Good. I don't like chocolate. And what about this one? He
doesn't like chocolate.
He doesn't like, sorry, bye. He doesn't like, no S. See, he doesn't like chocolate. Okay, here. This one with the S, right? This one, no S. Okay. All right. Now let's do it. Number one. Number one, they something like golf.
don't like
They don't like golf.
Good. They don't like golf. Okay. Number two. What fruit?
What fruit that he likes? He likes kiwis.
Very good. What fruit does he like? And it says he likes kiwi. Okay. Number three. Children usually
like
Children usually like watching cartoons.
Plural, right? Children is more than one. That's why. Okay, so children is more than one. That is why we're using like, because it's equally to they. Number three, look at the girl. Whoops, sorry.
She likes chocolate.
Number five, David. David
doesn't like milk.
David doesn't like milk. Number six. Look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture.
They like
playing
in the park.
Good. They like playing in the park. It's on the playground, right? Okay, number seven, Adam.
Does Adam likes
like
Finish.
spinach?
Good.
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Okay. And from number 8 to number 10. Number 8 to number 10. Okay. Here, it's a restaurant conversation. You still remember that, right? A restaurant conversation. So I was trying so hard to make it line by line, right? I click enter, but it still came out like scattering around, not like exactly a dialogue that I want you to see. So bear with me. A, say something, and B, say yes, please. So A, just say, what flavor do you want, chocolate or vanilla? So which one do you like? Which one should A ask?
Would you like some ice cream?
would you like some ice
Would you like some ice cream? Okay. Cannot be some chocolate, right? Because chocolate doesn't have a vanilla flavor, right? Okay. 9. Mr. Stone has sat down at a table and is looking at the menu. What the waiter should say when Mr. Stone say, yes, I will have tomato soup and roast chicken.
Can I order for you now?
This one you have to ask, would you like to order, sir? Okay. Would you like to order, sir? That's what, it's just more like, do you want to order? But this one is more polite, okay? This one just more polite, but the real meaning is, do you want to order? That's it, okay? And this one, do you want something to eat? This one is for when you're asking your friends, okay? Asking your friends to something to eat. You just ask your close friends. You shouldn't ask the strangers with these questions because it will appear rude since you don't know them, okay? All right, number 10. We're given the situation, right? The situation is you go to a restaurant with your American friends. FIFA, I try to mute you. And why did you keep turn on your mic? Okay, just turn it off. Okay, you go to a restaurant with your American friend. What would you say if you want to recommend him the special dish of that restaurant? So what would you say? Your friend's American and you like him to try the special dish of that restaurant. This one, what would you like for the starter, sir? This one, you don't call your friend sir. This one is for some strangers, try to be polite. So this one is probably, you know, the waiter would say it, okay? This one, could we have a menu, please? Well, you can say that too, but not to your friends. You should say it to, you say it to the waiter, right? If you want the menu. And this one, well, we have the special dish. So you don't have it, you don't own the restaurant, you just take your friends to a restaurant. You don't say we. It's not your restaurant, okay? Or you don't work for them. You just take them to the restaurant. So you just say, would you like to try spicy soup with prawn? Okay, so prawn is a little bit of, I think it's bigger than shrimp, right? It's shrimp, prawn, and then lobster. Okay, that is it. And then I'd like to continue on Unit 6, Lesson 3. Before you go to Unit 6 Lesson 3, let's turn to page 47. Page 47. At the corner of the page, you will see the smartphone, right? The message. What is the message say? What does the message say? Can you find it? It's on page 47. The message on the smartphone. What does it say?
How much does a chicken pie weigh at meat restaurant?
Good. How much does the chicken pie weigh at the Midge's restaurant? So today they have to go and find out how much the chicken pie weigh at Mrs. Midge's restaurant, the world famous pie.
Mrs. Midge's world famous pies.
Where is Midge's restaurant? Here it is. Let's go in.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, are you Mrs. Midge? Yes, I am. Can I help you? Yes, please. We need to answer a question. How much does a chicken pie weigh at Midge's restaurant? Oh, I don't know. I haven't got any pies left. But I'm going to make one now. You can help me.
In the kitchen.
Here's the recipe, and here are the ingredients. Flour, carrots, chicken. Oh, we haven't got enough onions. Yes, we have. There are lots of onions. Look on the wall. Oh. Stop, Rav. You've got too much flour. Oops.
45 minutes later.
We've finished. Let's put it in the oven. And now it's time to tidy up. Oh.
Half an hour later.
Wow! Mrs. Midge's world famous chicken pie. Oh, it looks wonderful. It weighs 1¼ kilos. That's right. Well done. Oh, no! But you're just in time for some chicken pie. Do you want some? Yes, please. Oh,
Okay. So, how much does the chicken pie weigh?
It weighs 1¼ kilos.
Very good. 1¼ kilo. How many kilograms is that? A quarter. How many kilogram is a quarter? Do you know? Do you remember last time I was teaching you about time, right? And I said a quarter. Oops. What's this? A quarter means 1/4 fourth, right? Let's look at that as a fourth. That is a quarter, right? So let's mean 1/4. In time, 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So when it comes to the a quarter, right? Quarter in time mean 15 minutes, right? But this one is kilo. A kilo, how much is 1 kilo? How much grams is a kilo? 1,000, right? 1,000 grams. Kiko. I knew it. There's something off about it. Right? It's 1,000 gram, right? So a quarter of kilo, how much is a quarter of kilo? So it's 1/4, right? So that's around 250 grams. So it says, how much was it? 1¼ kilo. So 1 pie weigh 1.25 kilogram, right? And then look on your class book, in your book, frame 4, it says in the kitchen, right? Mrs. Mitches will say, here's the recipe. What does that mean, recipe? A recipe means the instructions to tell you how to cook or, you know, make that particular dish. So this one is the recipe for a chicken pie, right? How about ingredients? What does ingredients means? Ingredients is the food components, okay? The food components that you put it into and make it to make that particularly dish. Okay, that's ingredients, a food or particle that combine it together to make a dish. Okay. All right, so I'd like you to take a look over here a little bit before I let you go. Here is the words. Can you put it in the correct column? Like you see apples with the S, right? It's countable with plural, right? And yogurt, it's uncountable nouns. What about biscuit? Where should you put it?
Countable nouns.
Countable, singular or plural?
Singular.
Yes, it's singular, countable noun. Bottles.
plural,
Countable noun, plural.
Yes, countable and plural. Bread, can you count bread?
Uncountable
uncountable
nouns.
noun,
Oh, uncountable nouns. Okay. How about can?
Countable noun, singular.
singular,
Yes. Can, countable noun, and it's singular. Cheese.
Uncountable nouns.
Right, uncountable nouns. Children.
Countable noun, plural.
Yes, countable noun, and it's plural because one child, right? 2 children. Coffee.
Uncountable noun.
uncountable noun,
Yes, coffee is uncountable noun. Egg.
Countable noun. Singular.
Yes, countable noun and singular. Feet.
Countable noun,
Countable noun, plural.
Yes, it's plural because 1 foot, 2 feet, right? Knife.
Countable noun, singular.
Do you know how to spell knives?
Knives.
Very good. You change the F, turn to V, and then added ES, right? So that's knives. Meat,
Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns.
right? You're not supposed to be able to count meat. Mice,
Countable noun, plural.
good. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Poster,
Countable noun, singular.
good. Sandwiches,
Countable noun, plural.
very good. Table,
Countable noun, singular.
Singular.
very good. And the last one is tea.
Uncountable noun.
So very good. You still recognize and remember the countable nouns and uncountable nouns because tomorrow we will doing this one. Too much and too many. Okay. Tomorrow I will start to tell you how the rules of how to use too much and too many. So today that is it. Here. Okay. We've learned about the story and then we've learned about the quarter of everything here and then the words, ingredients, and a recipe. Okay, so if you don't understand, okay, if you don't understand, I suggest that you should look up in the dictionary. Okay, please look up in the dictionary so that you will get more understand. And tomorrow we will continuing on the too much and too many. Okay. All right, so far today, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
No, and please don't forget, those who haven't done this one, where is it? Is it this one? No, that this one. Did I just here? Okay. Don't forget to do this one also. Please submit it and I will check it today. Okay. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, right? I don't see you tomorrow. Wait, when will I see you again? 5 minutes.
Tomorrow, teacher.
Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. That's right. Oh my God. Okay. Right. So this week, I'll get to see you like 3 times. Other class got 2. So yeah, okay. Maybe tomorrow we have an easy lesson for you guys. Otherwise, you'll be too much work for you. Okay. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.